All right, we got an off-road beauty right here. Rear loading door, solar, LED lighting. Look at this. These flip up, bikes, kayaks, solar, Murphy bed, inverter, converter, vacuum cleaner. Look at this. Somebody didn't even use the appliances. But look at all this nice storage. What a great trailer for the summer. Look how nice the bathroom is. Look at these bunks that flip up. Lots of storage. Lots of storage in here. Look how nice. This is a great trailer, guys. This will turn into a sleeper, so you got 4 beds. But look how nice. Storage, cabinetry. Look at this inverter. This is off-grid for show.